Hey, what's up, everybody? We are coming back again. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So I am super excited this morning. Yesterday evening when I got in from work, my blinker came in for my side mirrors. So we're gonna do this little video. I got the smoked LEDs. We're gonna clip these on, see what they look like. I put my old one back in when I bought the truck. This is the one that was in there. The lens was broke off. Give you a little video on taking that out real quick, and then we'll get this one put in and snapped in. We'll call it a day with this. So let's jump into it. So the first thing, let me grab this camera real quick. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do before you get started is you wanna take your mirror and you're gonna wanna roll this mirror all the way up with your switch. You want it to tilt all the way up, right? So at that point, you come in here. Let me find it right there. You see that little black clip right here? So you're gonna push that out like so. You gotta kind of push it out and down. It's a little difficult, but it ain't nothing you can't handle. See how it released? Now you come over here. You get your screwdriver. And barely pry down. Once you get it down like that, you just pop it out. You gotta pry on it a little bit. And voila, that's it. Simple as that. This is your clip. This is the one we were looking at inside. It clips in. If you just push here and push down, you get it to release, you should be good to go. Now that that's out of the way, let's get this new one put on, see what it looks like. We'll turn it on real quick. So I don't really want to scratch my lens too much, so I'm going to leave this on some way. Pull my little wire out. Just a little side note, I did clean all the inside of this out before I put these new lenses in here. There's no point in putting a clean, brand new lens on a dirty spot. Now the rest of the truck, we'll wash it later. So line your pins up. Pretty basic. Push it all the way in. Now, the smartest thing to do would be to check your light before you snap it all the way in, and then you have to uninstall it. So let me walk over here and I'll turn this on and we'll see if this thing works. All right, that was beautiful. Camera lady hooked me up, gave me a thumbs up. So we're gonna snap this in and then we'll turn it on and I'll walk over here and take a look see. So pretty much the same thing, just backwards. Just line up your little groove here in the front. It's gonna be a little tight, you got that new seal. Don't worry about it too much, you want a nice snug fit. Boom, there it is. Take this cover off. It's in there. Everything's correct. Everything looks good. Check that out. All right. So give me a second. I'm gonna turn this thing on. We're gonna see it installed. All right, so that concludes this video. I am super stoked about that. That looks good. I'm gonna get some matching headlights and taillights for it at a later date. So the driver's side will be the same thing. All right guys, it's nighttime. So we're gonna show you what these new LED blinkers look like. We're gonna turn the blinkers on. Turn it off, turn the other one on. Leave it on. Look at that, man. Isn't that super nice? They're bright. All right, turn it off. Turn the other one back on. Look at that. They look real nice. All right, turn it off. Turn the hazards on. They match with the flash on the light bulbs. Both of them. They're real bright. I mean, look at how it's shining on the side of that truck parked next to me. All right, turn them off. Kill the truck. Open the door. And then close it. And then look at the little puddle lights. Look at how bright them are. Open that door again. That's what's up, son. Look at that, man. Look at how bright that is. Those are super nice. Look, I'm gonna finish the shot over here so y'all can see. So that's what's up. That's the ending to the video. I think they're super nice. They were about 65 bucks on Amazon. I think it was a good purchase. So with that, keep living the dream, doing your thing, like and subscribe.